Today we are going to study EVS of class 4th, chapter 14, moving arounds. Okay, now we are going to start. In the olden days, people traveled from one place to another on foot. They carried heavy load on their heads, shoulders and backs. They dragged it with a rope and it had a lot of time to commute. Later, people made animals carry their goods. Then, when the wheel was invented, people built carts that were pulled by animals. With time, the means of transport become modern. Today, many quicker and comfortable means of transport are available. There has been a lot of improvement in the various means of transport due to development in science and international trade. First, roadways. India has one of the largest road network in the world. All the cities, towns and most of the villages are connected by roads. A network of roads connected different places in cities, towns and villages. Roads are made of cement, stone, concrete, and coal tar. The Indian road network consists of expressways, national highways, state highways, district and rural roads. Expressways. Expressways are roads which have 4 or 6 lanes. Most of the expressways are toll roads. On these toll roads, a fee is collected from all vehicles commuting. The fee is collected at point known as toll booths. The main road joining state capitals, important cities and port are called national highways. The Grand Trunk Road was known as Sher Shah Suri Marg, named after the 16th century ruler of India, is an important highway which connect Kolkata to Amritsar passing through Agra, Delhi, Ludhiana, etc. State highways are important roads within the state and are connected to the nearest national highways. District roads connected important town of the district which with the district headquarters in the state. Buses, cars, cycle, motorcycles, rickshaws, etc. are the mean of land transport. In Delhi and other big cities, vehicles like buses, auto rickshaws, cars run on CNG instead of petrol and diesel. CNG minimize the air pollution. Railways. Now we are going to read about railways. India has the largest railway network in the Asia and the fourth largest in the world. Railway is the most dependable mean of transport to carry goods and passengers across long distance. Rail transport is available throughout the country except some hilly and village areas in India. There are two types of train. Passenger train carries both people and limited quantity of goods. Goods train carries goods from one place to another. Railways also help in the movement of armed force and their equipments. Both passengers train and goods trains are driven by engines. They either run on diesel or electric power. The first train in India covered a distance of about 34 km between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. Today, trains mainly run on electricity. Metro trains are very popular in metropolitan cities. They are more comfortable. Thousands of people travel daily in these trains. Express trains like Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Raj, Deccan, Queen and Pink City are super fast. Now we are going to talk about air transport. Okay, this is air transport. It is the quickest means of transport but more expensive than any other Transport means of transport. Airplane can fly over desert, mountains, forest and oceans. India has a number of domestic and international airports. The domestic airport look after the air traffic within India and our neighboring countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, etc. International airports look after the air traffic to far away countries like England, Germany, USA, etc. Railways help in quick transportation of people and cargo. It is very useful for the development of our country. It attracts a lot of tourists from different countries to visit our beautiful mountains, coasts, buildings, and other places. Air transport is very useful at the time of emergencies like earthquakes, flood, fire, etc. It can transport people, food, and medicines within no time. Okay. Now we are going to read about water transport. Okay. The mean of transport which move on the water are called means of transport. Boats, steamers, ships are most common means of water transport. Boats are commonly used on rivers, lake, canal, etc. A ship is largest. A ship is a largest vessel and has enough space for passengers and goods. It is used for longer distance. There are many types of boat and ships. A ferry takes people across the river of sea, while a barge carrying cargo. Ocean liners take people on a sea cruise to different part of the earth. Nowadays, hovercraft have been developed. A submarine is a ship that travels underwater and is used by the naval forces during wars. The world has become a smaller place because of the growth in transportation. The changes and development in the transport system have made life comfortable and have brought people closer to reducing distances and travel time. However, these changes have also affected the environment. Many trees are cut down to make way for road and railways lines. Smoke emitted from the vehicles have caused air pollution, hence we should practice it.